Hey, what's up guys? This is Juan from Novecel. Today I want to present you guys another freezer, Q7R. So if you guys have seen some of our videos, we have Q7, we have Q7 Pro. So this Q7R is another model we have made for you guys. So right now I want to let you guys to see, take a very close look at this machine. I'm gonna open the lid here, open the gate so that you guys see what is inside. Actually, this one is also the switches from Schneider and also the compressor from tecumseh French. Even though it's made in India, but this is tecumseh from it's French company. So here we go. Let's come closer. So now let's take a very close look at what is inside. So this is the relays from Schneider, and this is also from Schneider. This is the switch. Any other? Actually, I'm not sure about this brand, but this looks also very nice quality. Everything inside is organized. So this is compressor. Compressor is from is tecumseh. Tecumseh, also a very good company. So you won't disappoint it. You won't disappoint it with the quality of tecumseh. Always very good quality. So everything inside, as we can see, all the cables very organized inside of this machine. And yeah, because there are some also other suppliers in China. They just want to save cost. They use cheaper relay. They use cheaper switch. They use cheaper this power supply or some capacitors. So this capacitor is also, let's check here. I cannot see the quality, the brand here, but this quality has been proved because we've been selling so many of them. So all the parts inside is already, quality is already proved. So I guess you don't have to worry about it. And because the reason we're using very good part for this machine, because I don't want you guys to receive it in the future. Because we had experience like 2 years ago, we had experience because we had a bad relay. So a customer, I remember, is from Canada, so he had to spend another $700 to replace only a relay. So that's why I decided to, because I don't care if I spend another $50, $100 to have a better part for this machine, but I just want to avoid this problem that just as I explained to you guys, like a small part relay with switch or some capacitors. You have to spend a lot of money in your country, and you have to also spend a lot of time. You have to wait to the parts to arrive. So that's why we want to give you guys, firstly, very good parts for this machine. Secondly, so I'm gonna close it. So I'm gonna also turn on the machine. So because the machine has been already, because we have already used it for a while, so this area is the working area. We work here. Our technicians, they're working here. So I'm gonna turn on the machine and also explain to you guys a little bit about the warranty we're giving. So this, now in our company, all the machines we're selling are with warranty, because I don't know if you guys will see on the internet or wherever the social medias, because this freezer, a lot of our customers, not my customer, probably from some other companies, they bought another models, they don't give warranty. So this is the problem, because if the compressor is broken or the tube, it has any leak. So you won't have any, you cannot fix it, because we've been saying this for years. We know that you cannot fix it. Or at least I haven't seen that. Probably you can fix it, but I haven't seen that. I have sold more than 500 pieces of freezer all over the road, but at least I haven't seen that. So the warranty is very important for this machine. So all machines we are saying we give you warranty. If the compressor or is broken, it's burned, so we offer you a new freezer. But we have to do some video check, we have to make sure. So the press is broken. If it's not broken, so we cannot give you a new one. You cannot just come over here and tell me yes, broken. We have to do some video check. If we cannot agree each other, so we have to pay another company, SGS, to let them to go there to test the compressor. So if the compressor is broken, or is there a leak on this tube? Because there are some tube inside of this machine for the like circle. Because we have like this, those freon, these coolants. Coolant goes inside of this tube. If the tube has a leak on it, then also it's very hard to repair it. That's why only those two-stage machine we can offer you the new freezer. But if we wanted the machine, if we wanted the old machine, we pay for the shipping and bring it back. If we don't need it, we just you just can do whatever you want. We give you a new one, but you have to pay for the shipping. You pay for the shipping and also to bring it to your country. So this is always the warranty we're giving to our customers. We don't want them to feel, because this is something expensive. Shipping and also the machine, it's kind of expensive. So that's why I want you guys to feel like you have support all the time. So this is what we're doing to help you guys. So this temperature, we can wait a little bit. We can reach -190 or something. And this one, because later I'm gonna explain to you guys the difference between the Q7 Pro, because we also have a Q7 Pro here. Let me just show you guys. So here we have, this is the Q7R. This is the new model we're making. And on the other side we have Q7 Pro. So later I'm gonna explain to you guys the difference between those two machines. So now I just want to give you guys some a little bit explanation about the two machines. Actually, Q7 is heavier. Firstly, both of them can reach actually approximately the same temperature. So the Q7 Pro is heavier, is bigger. I mean the size of the machine is bigger, and the weight of the machine is heavier. But the working size, the Q7 Pro, is smaller. It's only 16 inches, 25 by 35. You can put 6 pieces of the screen. I mean, the edge has 8 edges inside, or has 8 rods inside. But this one, the Q7R, you can put 8 pieces inside. So the size is bigger. So that's weight a little bit to say, so what's the temperature this machine can reach. So I'm gonna, yeah, so it's already -190 or something, so it's enough. So I just want to show you guys how many pieces we can put inside of this freezer. As you can see, how many pieces you can put. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this freezer, you can put 9 pieces inside of this machine. So the working size is bigger, and it's very cold. So we recommend you guys every time you are working, so please wear this glove. This is very important.
So later on I explain to you guys the yeah, let's close the lid. Temperature is -91. This machine actually keeps very well the temperature. Actually the temperature doesn't drop that much. So later I'm gonna also explain to you guys the difference between the two machines. The other one, because the hood, I mean the lid is metal, so the temperature goes up faster. So we open it, temperature goes up faster. But this one actually the temperature is very good. This keeps very well. So this is also the difference between this one and that one. So about this machine, I mean the temperature is it's enough, -190 or something. Even though it goes up, it doesn't matter. Just want to give you guys see so from every angle and every side to see the machine. So this is how it looks of this machine. Okay, I'm just gonna repeat. This machine is Q7R. The size actually we put 9 pieces inside of this chamber, the working area. So the working area is huge. If you have bigger production, so you can also have this one. And also everything inside of this machine, all the switch, and also the relays, all from international brand. And also the compressor. The very important part is compressor, and also the relay. This kind of part inside. All of them are important because when you have big quantity, you don't want weeks, like a week or 2 weeks to solve the problem. So that's why we made very good quality for this freezer, and to make sure you guys have very reliable working device to help you guys to make money, to grow your business. And if you guys, if you like this video, please click that bell below around the corner. There is a bell. That's the notification bell. If you click that bell, you can always receive our latest video. So in next video, I'm going to explain to you guys the difference between this machine, also Q7R and Q7 Pro. I'm going to also put a link below the description. There's a description below this video. I'm going to put all the links below there, so you can go and check the difference between this one and Q7 Pro. Because now in my company, in our company, we only have 2 different models, Q7R and the Q7 Pro. I'm going to explain to you the difference to help you guys to make the right decision. And thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also click the notification, the bell around the corner. Click the bell to receive our latest video about all the machines for the LCD repair and also for the cell phone repair, because we're going to do the motherboard repair as well. So thanks for watching. Have a good day or have a good night. Bye.